Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Okay, today guys, we're going to be making steamed red snapper. These are the ingredients we're going to use. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay, let's begin by seasoning our fish. Okay, a little brown sugar. Okay, some nice olive oil, nice flavor. Our salt and pepper. And our soy sauce. Okay, let's just incorporate that. Wonderful. Here we go. Okay. Keep in mind, this plate is microwavable. It holds up to 200 Fahrenheit and a little more degrees, okay? We're going to put nice ginger sticks, julienne, on our plate. All right, let's just stretch this out. That's about it. That's what we want. Perfect. Okay. All right, we just place our fish, our red snapper, right on top of our ginger. Perfect. Now we pour our mixture right into it. Oh, wonderful. This is great. This is great. I'm just pushing it right into it. Look at that. This is wonderful. That's what you want. You see that? Coated it nicely. Okay. All right, let's just cover it wonderful with our ginger. Let's cover it nicely with our ginger. Don't be shy. We want to spread that ginger around. Yes, indeed. That's wonderful. Now we're going to just pack it nicely with some wonderful plum tomatoes. Look how red and delicious these are. This is all going to be our flavor. Oh, this is looking delicious. Look at that color contrast. Isn't that beautiful? Get that tomato juice in there too. Okay, that's about it. Okay, now we're going to prepare our steamer. If you don't have a steamer, that's okay. Look at what we did. I made a nice little foil to keep our plate nice and risen, nice and high. And I'm going to add the water that surrounds it nicely. All right, that's about good. Right about there is good. Creating that steam that you need, okay? Now I'm going to take my fish, my plate of fish, and put it right on top of the foil, just like this. Look at that, wonderful. Now the steam is going to be created and it's going to come all out of these cracks nicely. And there's your steamer. Okay, now we're going to turn on our light to medium temperature. Wonderful. And now we're going to steam cook it for 15 to 20 minutes until fully cooked. Cover it nice and tight. Look at that. And let it go. Oh, that looks great. Okay guys, after 20-25 minutes, look at this. Hit it with another 25 minutes just to seal it in, which is no problem. Look at these natural juices. Look at that. You just pour this over nice. Oh, this smells delicious. I'm telling you guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at these flavors. All right, let's give it a taste. This is it. This This is it. Let's give it a taste. Let me just dig in here. I'm gonna go right in here. Get right in the middle of it. Wonderful. Oh, look at that. Nice and firm. Fully cooked. Look at that. Fully cooked. Wonderful. Okay, here we go, guys. Hold on. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is delicious. Delicious. This is delicious. All right, guys. Let's serve it up. All right, guys. Here we have it. Steamed red snapper fish. Delicious. Served with a nice bowl of hot rice. Look at that. Let's just garnish this up. I'm telling you guys, you can do it. Oh, this is wonderful. It is delicious. The flavor is there. All the natural juices came out. Look at that. This is what you want. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.